జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 120th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం అమృతాయ నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, యువర్ డివైన్ పర్సానిఫికేషన్, your divine qualities, how much ever we experience, how much ever we enjoy, we are never satisfied. We always feel like looking at you. We always feel like listening to your divine qualities. We always feel like serving you eternally. We always feel like experiencing you in total, but never satisfied. O Srimannarayana, such is your divine personification. O Srimannarayana, those who surrender to you, you give them Sri Vaikuntham, the divine abode, where Sada Pasyanti Surayah, where we would not have any lids on our eyes, so that continuously, constantly we can experience your divine qualities, we can experience your divine handsomeness and beauty, and we can experience and enjoy in total, yet we will be left unsatisfied. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Amrutaya Namaha. Om Amrutaya Namaha. Enjoying the divine personification of Srimannarayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Valmiki Ramayanam, Dasharatha Maharaju crying a lot in front of Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi is now asking, "O Raja, you always praise yourself, saying that you always speak truth and you always stand on your words that you gave. Now what is going on? Why are you doing like this?" When Kaikeyi accusingly said those words, Dasharatha Maharaj immediately again got up, and with so much of anger, he is saying that, "Oh Kaika, do you know, if I send Rama to the forest, I would definitely die. I cannot be alive. After I die, I will be going to heaven, the Swargam. There also all the devatas comes to me and accuses me and says to me that, how dare you send Rama to the forest? How did you even send Rama to the forest? Like that, they all will dislike me. After I send Rama to the forest, I would not enjoy even in heaven also. O Kaika, let me remind you, Rama and his divine qualities, his divine personification. Dasharatha Maharaj is now trying to again remind all the qualities of Rama to the Kaikeyi, expecting that after listening again, she might change her mind. Dasharatha Maharaju saying that, "Ho Kaika, my Rama, Surascha, such a brave man, my Rama, Krutavidyascha, he is very knowledgeable, my Rama, Jitakrodhaha, he conquered anger, my Rama, Kshama Paraha." O Kaika, Rama has so much patience, such wonderful qualities Rama has. Kamalapatrakshaha, do you remember Rama's beautiful eyes, like lotus-like eyes? Can you again remember please? Like that he is saying that, and also saying that, "Oh Kaikeyi, such wonderful man, such handsome man, such great man, how can I send him to the forest? Kadam maya Ramo vivasyate, how can I ask him to go to the forest? I have done so many yajnas and yagas. Finally, I am blessed with such a wonderful son. How can I send my Rama to the forest?" O Kaika, my Rama has such a beautiful black eyes, Indivarasyamam, such beautiful eyes. My Rama has Dirghabahum, such lengthy shoulders. My Rama is Mahabalam. My Rama is Abhiramam. The moment you see Rama, you will not be able to take off your eyes from Rama. Such beautiful, handsome personification is Rama. How can I ask such wonderful man, Rama, to go to forest? Kadam aham Ramam preshayishyami dandakan. O Kaika, before even I ask Rama to come here and ask Rama to go to forest, before all that happens, it is better for me to die before even do all these things. O Kaika, let me die before I call Rama. Like that Dasharatha Maharaju crying a lot, and by then it started slowly getting dark and dark. He is asking, "Oh darkness," that means, "Oh night, please do not pass it through very quickly. Let this night be all the time like this only, because the moment the sun rises, I have to call my Rama. I have to ask Rama to go to forest, which I cannot do that. Oh darkness, oh night, please stay as it is." Like that Dasharatha Maharaju cried a lot, and again just fell on the floor, and slowly it is now dark. The night is passing through and slowly getting to rise the day. So what happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us chant the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 13th Sloka. Rudro Bahusiraha Babhruhu Visvayonihi Suchisravaha Amrutaha Sasvatasthanuhu Vararoho Mahatapaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం అమృతాయ నమః. ఓం అమృతాయ నమః. ఓం అమృతాయ నమః.